to an investor looking for premium market opportunities. Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning, welcome to ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes, reporting live from Kalkine Studio in Sydney. The Australian share market looks likely to fall this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% fall. Yesterday, the Australian share market closed 0.1% lower at 7,209. Bank of Queensland has entered into a voluntary enforceable undertaking with APRA and AUSTRAC to address the remediation of weaknesses in Bank of Queensland's risk management practices, controls, systems, governance and risk culture. APRA has also determined a capital adjustment to Bank of Queensland's minimum capital requirements is applied from the 30th of May 2023, adding $50 million to their operational risk capital requirement. Bank of Queensland has also entered into a voluntary enforceable undertaking with AUSTRAC, addressing remediation of issues in respect of BOQ's anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing program. This comes following BOQ's previously disclosed internal and external reviews that led to identification of deficiencies in its operational resilience, risk culture and governance and AML and CTF program and their ongoing engagement with APRA and AUSTRAC. AUSTRAC's Chief Executive, Nicole Rose, stated that businesses which do not have a strong AML and CTF program in place are vulnerable to exploitation by criminals, which is why AUSTRAC has been working with Bank of Queensland to harden their processes. BetMakers Technology Group has updated their cost-based reduction and global efficiencies program, which is expected to result in significant operating overhead reductions and savings across the business moving forward. Since the company's board and management changes in January, the optimisation of the business has continued. The changes were designed to effect a strategic reset of the business with a clear focus on operational discipline, specifically a return to positive cash flows, cost efficiency and optimal capital management. During the past 4 months, the company has undertaken material updates on progress to date. Normalisation of annualised staff and operating overheads of the business are expected to reduce by 23%, with the reduction in cost primarily driven by restructuring of global operations and technology. Total number of employees is projected to also fall by 23%. The operational restructure has been made possible by streamlining and consolidating key software offerings and leveraging technology monitoring and reporting capabilities. Westgold Resources has seen a 49% uplift in reportable mineral resource estimate. The 2023 mineral resource estimate update for its Great Fingall gold deposit near Kew in Western Australia. A 49% uplift from the last reported mineral resource estimate is a notable result. Westgold is confident there is more upside at Great Fingall, as to date they have only focused on the lower execution risk, extensions to the known Great Fingall Reef. In coming weeks, 2 drill rigs will be mobilised as a final drilling program is undertaken with clearly defined geological triggers to enable a final investment decision. Pending the drill program success, Westgold remains on track to make a final investment decision on restart of Great Fingall in Q1 FY24. Now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect the trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. The tech-heavy Nasdaq rose 0.3% overnight and the S&P 500 closed flat. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 0.15%. Across the Atlantic, European markets closed lower. London's FTSE fell 1.4%, Frankfurt lost 0.3%, while Paris closed 1.3% lower. In Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei added 0.3%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose 0.24%, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.1% higher. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. I'm Lauren Hayes. Have a great trading day and stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day.